Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse Sagar kitchen. Full guide. Start by measuring ingredients and chilling tools, then melt chocolate slowly over low heat. Separate eggs carefully and keep yolks and whites distinct. Whip cream until soft peaks form, then fold gently to preserve aeration. Taste for balance and adjust sugar or salt sparingly. Chill the finished mousse for at least 2 hours before serving to set properly. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse Sagar kitchen. Full guide. Begin by melting chocolate slowly in a bowl over simmering water, stirring until smooth. Remove from heat and let it cool just a bit so it won't scramble the yolks. Whisk a small amount of chocolate into yolks to temper, then combine fully. Keep mixtures warm but not hot, and proceed to fold with whipped cream gently for a silky finish. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse Sagar kitchen. Full guide. Quick recommendation. If you want to laugh and fresher rides after grocery runs, try Little Tree's Black Ice as a tiny treat for your car. It smells great and makes errands feel like a mini celebration. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse Sagar kitchen. Full guide. Whip egg whites until soft peaks, adding sugar slowly to create glossy meringue. Whip cream separately to soft peaks and set aside. Fold 1/3 of whipped cream into chocolate to lighten it, then gently fold remaining cream and meringue in stages using a lift-hand fold motion. Keep the motion slow and controlled so the mousse stays airy and smooth for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.